Good morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to take our next topic, which is weather and season. So children, have you all noticed that at times we feel very hot and at times we feel very cold? Now why does this happen? Do you know the answer why it happens? No problem. I will tell you. This happens because of weather and seasons. So, what is weather? What is weather? Here I have written the definition also for you. So, the state of atmosphere at a particular time and place is called the weather. That means the day-to-day change in the condition of air that surrounds the earth is called weather. Okay? So, the weather can be hot, cold, rainy or cloudy also. So, these changes are caused by the sun, wind, cloud and rain. Okay? So, this was all about weather. Let's see the definition of weather once again. The state of atmosphere at a particular time and place is called the weather. Now, we are going to see what are seasons, okay? Or what is a season? That we need to know, isn't it? We said that when we feel hot or cold, this is because of weather and season. So we have seen what is weather. This is the state of the atmosphere at a particular place and time, isn't it? It does not prolong. It can be for a day or 2 days, okay? So this was all about your weather. Now we are going to see what are seasons or what is a season, okay? So seasons also, we have 5 different seasons. So before that, y'all please copy this definition down. I'm giving you 1 minute. Copy it down fast. Okay? So have you written what is weather? Now it's time to study about seasons. Okay. So what is a season? The weather of the place that remains same for a long period of time is called season. That means the weather. Now weather is what? Weather is the day-to-day change in the condition of air or the atmospheric conditions. That means it is because of the rain, cloud, sun, isn't it? Hot, cold, that is weather. Now, when this thing remains for a long time, it is called a season. Okay, it becomes a season. If it is only for 1 day or 2 days, then it is weather. But if it is for months, then it is season. Okay, these atmospheric conditions which are for a longer period of time are called what? That is your season. Okay, so the weather of the place that remains same for a long period of time is your season. Or we can say when one type of weather remains the same for many days, we call it season. Okay. Now in our country, we have 5 seasons. Okay. So what are they? I'm going to tell you in a while. But before that, y'all please copy this. I'm giving you 1 minute. Copy down students fast. So children, as I told you, there are 5 seasons, okay? And they are, the very first season is spring season. Now, what is spring season? The weather in this season is very pleasant, neither too hot nor too cold. Plants bear new leaves, fresh grass and flowers. It brings new life to our earth after cold winters. Okay, so when does spring season come? It comes just after the winter season. Okay, and what happens in this season? The weather is very pleasant. It is not very hot, not very cold also. And in plants, what we see? We see nice green leaves, flowers and fresh grass too. Okay, so this means that spring season is during February and March. Okay, so we can say it in this way also, that February and March are spring months. Okay, so the very first season is spring season. Understood, my dear students? Next season we are going to see is summer season. Okay, so in summer season, what happens? We feel very hot, isn't it? We sweat like anything, isn't it? So summer season comes after the spring season. The sun shines very bright and hot. In this season, we prefer to wear cotton clothes, isn't it? When it becomes very hot, what we do? We ask our mothers to make us wear very light clothes, isn't it? Yes, we love to eat ice creams. We love to drink cold drinks and juices, isn't it? So, this season is summer season, where you're free to eat anything you like. That means ice cream, isn't it? In winters, does your mother permit you to eat ice cream? Does she? No, because it is already cold. So, during summers, you can enjoy a lot, isn't it? Yes. So, in this season, we prefer to wear cotton clothes. Why? Because they are very light. We love to eat ice cream and drink plenty of cold juices. And April, May and June are summer months. Okay, these months are called summer months. So, now children, have you noticed that we wear more of light colored clothes during summer? Have you? Yes, the reason behind it is that we wear light clothes because light colors reflect sunlight and keep our body cool. Okay, if anybody asks you that why do you wear light colored clothes during summer season, your answer should be because it reflects the sunlight and helps to keep our body cool. Okay, let's see the next season then. So the third season is rainy or monsoon season. We call rainy season as monsoon season also. Okay. So in this season, what happens? We see rainfall, isn't it? So monsoon brings people's favorite season, the rainy season, isn't it? We love to dance in rain. Yes or no, students? Yes, this is the reason why we love this season the most. Why? Because while going from school, what you do is when rain comes, you feel very good because the atmosphere becomes very nice, the weather becomes very pleasant, isn't it? And while going home like that, mummy doesn't allow us to go in rain and dance, isn't it? But while going from school, what you do? You go and dance in rain with your school bags, isn't it? And then next day what happens? When ma'am asked, beta, what is this? Why your books and copies are wet? Then what you say? Ma'am, actually while going from school, I became wet because it was raining. Yes or no? But you actually enjoyed while going home, isn't it? Yes. So this is rainy season, which is your favorite season, isn't it? Yes. So the weather becomes cloudy. In this season, we use raincoats, umbrellas and gumboots to protect ourselves from rain. July, August and September are rainy months. Okay, children? This you need to remember. I am telling you the duration or the months during which season is there. Okay? So, July, August and September are called your rainy months. Okay? Now, let's see the next season. Now, next season is autumn season. In autumn, what happens? You see, the season comes after monsoon season. The leaves of trees become dry and change to yellow, golden, orange, red or brown in color. Okay? Some trees shed all their leaves. So, while going home, we have noticed sometimes that we see trees but there are no leaves on the trees, isn't it? We have noticed, isn't it? Yes. So, this season is when the autumn season is. This situation happens when autumn season is there. Okay? When if you are having a nice garden at your place, at your home, so you can see during autumn season, all the plants or the trees in your house will shed their leaves and you will get more of waste leaves lying down. Okay? So, now let's see in which month we see autumn season. So, September and October are autumn months. Okay? September and October are autumn months and autumn season comes just after the monsoon season. Understood? Now let's see the last season. Okay? So our fifth season is winter season. Okay? Now winter comes after autumn season. Okay? And we feel very cold in winter season, isn't it? We wear blazers and come to school. Our mother makes us wear a number of inners and then school dress, and then on that we wear our jackets and come, isn't it? Our blazers, school blazers. So, in winter season, we feel very cold. That means the atmosphere that time or the weather that time is very cold. Okay, throughout the day it is same. That is why it is not throughout the day, throughout the month. Okay, or it may prolong to months, even 2-3 months. Okay, so winter comes after autumn season and we feel very cold in this season. People wear woolen clothes and use blankets to protect themselves from cold. Okay? Morning becomes foggy. Yes, whenever we come to school, we notice that we cannot see anything on the road. It is very foggy. Everything becomes white, isn't it? You see that white, smoky sort of weather out. And you are unable to see things, okay, in your surrounding. So, we like to have hot soups, tea and coffee during this season, okay. So, in November, December and January are your winter months, okay. In some parts of the country, you may also notice snowfall, okay. Since it becomes very cold, so you can see many places receive snowfall, okay. So this happens only in winter season, my dear students, okay. In summer season, you will not have snowfall. Only in winter season, you can see snowfall. Understood? So, now children, have you all noticed that we wear more of dark colored clothes during winter season? Do you know the reason why do we wear more of dark colored clothes in winter season? It is because dark color absorbs heat and keeps our body warm. Understood? Why in winter season we wear dark colored clothes? Because dark colors absorb heat and keeps our body warm. Okay? So, let's sum up this class in 5 points. That means the 5 seasons we will see once again. Okay? By the time you all bring your rough copy and be seated. Okay? Just write all the 5 seasons which I will make you write just now, and you have to learn the duration in which the seasons are there. Okay, like from April to May which season is there, and December, January, February which season is there. This you should know. Okay, I will ask you. Okay students, so wait for 5 minutes. So dear students, in today's class what did we study? We studied about the weather and seasons, isn't it? Now we have also studied about the 5 different seasons we have, isn't it? Now what is weather? Weather is the state of atmosphere at a particular place and time is your weather, isn't it? Now what is season? What is a season? The weather of a place that remains same for a long period of time is your season. Okay. Now in our country we have 5 types of seasons. Okay. So there are 5 seasons which are, or I have written they are, you are going to write like this only. There are 5 seasons. They are, the first one is spring, which the duration of which is from February to March. Okay. Then comes the second season, summer, and the duration is April, May and June. We have 3 months of summer season. Just now it is April going on. So which season is just now? Which season it is, my dear students? It is summer season. Yes, in summer season we get lots and lots of mangoes, isn't it? Yes. So the next season is rainy season, and it is from July to September. That means July, August and September. In these 3 months we have rainfall. Okay. The fourth season is autumn. Autumn season. It is from September to October. Okay. So autumn season extends from or starts from September and ends in October. Okay. For 2 months we have autumn season. Then the last season is winter season. Winter season is from November till January. Now, if you notice, we have all the 12 months covered by these 5 seasons, isn't it? Here see, it is from November till January. Okay, then from February and March we have spring season. April, May and June we have summer season. July, August, September we have rainy season. September, October we have autumn season, and November, December and January again we have winter season. Okay, so these seasons and their duration you all should know. Okay, please copy this down nicely. I will give you 2 minutes to copy this. Okay, so my dear students, take care and keep safe. Okay, eat lots and lots of food and do lots and lots of exercise also. Okay, do wear mask while going out and keep studying. Okay, Learn the duration properly. I am going to ask you in next class. Okay? So bye. Take care.